Hey everybody, this kit back here, you guys remember that from my Christmas stash update, and I did say something about making that into a race car hauler or race team hauler and having it with the Chevy II Rat Packer. And this is the kit I was talking about. Now, when I got this one, I do not think there's any Chevy II kits really easy to get, and I saw this one and then just had to have it. Now I think it's a little easier to get them, but it's still sealed. Only has a little bit. Haven't got brave enough to open it because it's just one of them cool sealed kits that I actually had, even though it kind of killed me not to open it up. But I thought this was a really cool kit. I don't know if it's original because it says a barcode. I can't remember when it was packaged, but it was with the limited edition. We got the limited edition sticker on it. But if I do the station wagon as a race hauler, I was thinking of doing it with that Chevy II, and I do have other trailers from other kits. Cause like the Cal Dry combo, and then I had this one that came with what was it? I think it was the Cobras. That one came with the Cobra racing team. And then I have this cool trailer as well. Now that one might be a little too modern for it, but I do have some trailer options and such for it. But that was one of the ideas for it. So this is one of the kits that's going to be coming up into the mixtures. I had to get brave enough to pop that one open. Ain't gonna do that one yet. Hopefully when I get it open, ain't no surprises. But the '63 Chevy II wagon kit, that one's pretty much brand new, so I already went through that one. A lot of different options. Some of the engine options, I don't know how well the engine is in this kit, but I probably can use some of the engine options in that to put in that, and then even have a spare engine sitting on the side, and I can use all the racing options, accessories and stuff like that that comes in that to go into making it look really cool together. If you guys have seen any cool decals that would work good for both these out on the internet or so, let me know what ideas you would see that would work good for something like this. That would be the only thing that would be holding me back on starting this, is getting something that works well for both of them, and maybe some color scheme ideas. I have to look into it, but I probably would be keeping this stock so that way they both have the same front ends, because this front ends might have been cool at one time, but it's not cool to me right now. I'd rather have the original Chevy II front end. So until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.